Hello everyone, good evening. I am Rushikesh. Today I am going to explain you polymorphism in Java. So let's start it. Uh, in we all know that there are many programming languages are used in IT industry. Java is one of them. In Java, uh, many concepts are used very well. One concept of these all, that is polymorphism. So we will discuss in polymorphism. Uh, what is polymorphism? Polymorphism that allows us to take single action in different tasks. What is meaning word of polymorphism? Poly poly means many and morph means forms. That is, many forms is nothing but polymorphism. We take real life examples. A person has different characteristics. A person can be a teacher, person can be a mother, a person can be father, a person can be student, a person can be uh, sports person, but it as a main same as in the it is this phenomena is called polymorphism. uh, Same phenomena is in the Java programming languages are widely used. There are two types of polymorphism. First is compile time polymorphism, and second is runtime polymorphism. Uh, we will discuss compile time polymorphism. In this compile time polymorphism is also called static polymorphism. That is early binding polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism, uh, 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 we uh, we can say it is compile time polymorphism when it has same name of methods and different number of parameters. So we can classify compile time polymorphism in three types. When it has method have same name but changing in parameters. When two methods, first is sum method and second also sum method, while first sum method it has one parameter, that is integer a, and the second method has two parameters, it is integer a, integer b. uh, in this moving forward, talking about second type of comparative polymorphism is changing in data types in the polymorphism. uh, Changing in data types in parameters. While we have two methods, some methods. First, in the first sum methods, we have data type is integer a, uh, and the second sum method we have data type is float a. This phenomenon is in the compile time polymorphism in the changing in data type. And third types of compile time polymorphism is the we have uh, sequence changing in the sequence of parameters. While two methods, that is sum, in the first sum methods we have integer two data types, that is integer a and float a. In the second sum method we have changing the sequence of first is float a and then integer int a parameters. Uh, this is all about compile time polymorphism. Moving forward and talking about runtime polymorphism. In runtime polymorphism, uh, we can acquire object during the object when object is called at the runtime uh, uh, occurs in 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 runtime. Polymorphism is also called as late binding or dynamic binding uh, polymorphism. uh, for example, uh, we have two classes, that is splendor and the splendor and the bike, where first class is first class is bike, and it has a where uh, bike extends uh, bike extends sorry splendor extends bikes, and it is overrides with run methods when we can uh, uh, it is acquiring objects of the parent class to the subclass of the objects and the subclass of the methods. uh, no, superclass extend superclass refers the variables to the subclasses, then subclasses overrides mm, properties uh, to the to the superclasses, then subclasses overrides properties uh, on the superclasses. A superclass is called by the JVM. That is JVM is invoked by subclass is invoked by JVM. Uh, that's all from my side. Thank you for watching this video.